Look, these spinning rings are so much fun. Can you believe it only takes 5 pipe cleaners and a secret trick? This video will reveal all the secrets in 3 minutes. Step 1. Make 4 triangles for the windmill blades. Fill in the triangle by wrapping the remaining pipe cleaner. Trim off the fuzz around the triangle. See how it looks after trimming. Step 2. Make the ring band. This design makes the ring adjustable to any finger size and more comfortable to wear. Step 3. Shape the pinwheel blades. Step 4. Assemble the pinwheel ring. Tip. To make it rotate smoothly, attach a plastic piece at each contact point of the spinning axis. Look, both contact surfaces now have plastic pieces attached. Now we can attach the spinning axis. The spinning pinwheel ring is now complete. With a ring like this, who could feel blue? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Your subscription will inspire me to create more fun DIYs.